So what we're going to try today is we're going to try a coconut rice pudding in the sous vide. So we've got our sous vide heated up to 180 degrees and we've got all our ingredients here, so we're going to put them all together. So a half cup of rice into our Ziploc bag, a half cup of sugar, a half cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger, and then we need 2 cups of milk, this is where we pray the bag doesn't leak, and then a can of coconut milk. There's our bag of stuff. I'm going to smush it around just a little bit, or slosh it around a little bit to stir it up. And then I'm going to use the water immersion technique to vacuum seal it. And I'm going to seal it up and leave it in the sous vide for 4 hours. So after 4 hours and 45 minutes, what I pulled out of the sous vide is this. If you can look, the grains of rice are still perfectly grainy. They're not cooked at all. And I left it in for a little bit extra because the recipe said at 4 hours it was still a little bit al dente. This is not al dente. This is not cooked at all. So I'm going to call this one a fail. I basically got a bag of cinnamon milk. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Throw us a comment in the comments to say what you think. And yeah, subscribe to our channel where we have some sous vide fails. And hopefully sometime later on I will be doing a video on how I make rice pudding regularly and it works fine. Have a good night.